to assemble. Excavator. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it! Choose a tool that will help overcome the obstacle. Tap on a suitable tool. We did it! Dig up a basin ditch. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Now we need to wash it clean. Excavator! Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now you try. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Go on. We did it! We have to assemble. Bulldozer. Move the part to the right place. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. Let's put the refueling gun in a tank. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. Make a platform for an arbor. Let's remove the rusting. Move the tool to clean the stain. Try it on your own. Let's paint over the discolorations. Don't stop. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Drag a vehicle to its ready. We have to assemble. Pipe layer. Keep it up. Help the car make its way. Let's tap on the object to remove it from the road. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. We did it! Lay pipes for the pool. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Don't stop. We have to assemble dumper. Ready. First we have to fill it. Dumper. You're doing really great. Fill up sand and gravel. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. You're doing really great. We need to assemble cement mixer. Don't stop. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Let's drag the part to its place like this to assemble the car. You're doing really great. Fill the first layer of concrete. Let's wash. Cement mixer. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. We did it! We have to assemble drop side truck. Don't stop! First we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Done! finish the bottom of the pool. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Ready. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Done! First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Drag